In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Outlook newsletter template using ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have a polished, reusable newsletter you can send from Outlook in just a few clicks, with all the structure handled for you. Start by opening chat.openai.com and entering a clear, detailed prompt. For example, ask for a Microsoft Outlook newsletter that highlights recent website posts and encourages viewers to subscribe on YouTube. The more specific you are about tone, sections, and layout, the better the result. ChatGPT will generate formatted content with space for your logo, a friendly greeting, featured posts with links, calls to action, and a clean footer. Make sure the output includes email-friendly elements like headings, bullet points, and hyperlinks so it translates well in Outlook. When you're happy with the draft, copy the full output so you don't miss any formatting cues. Next, open Outlook either on the web or desktop, and click New Email. Paste the ChatGPT content directly into the message body. Personalize the greeting, tweak post summaries, and replace any placeholders with real images or your logo. Use Outlook's formatting tools to align visuals, adjust fonts, and confirm that hyperlinks open correctly. If an image appears too large or small, resize it here. This is also a good moment to check contrast and spacing so your newsletter is easy to scan on desktop and mobile. Now save it as a template. In the Outlook desktop window, go to File, choose Save As, select Outlook template.oft, give it a descriptive name like Monthly Newsletter, and save it to the default Templates folder. If you're in Outlook on the web, open My Templates from the Apps grid on the right, click Add Template, paste your content, add a title, and save. Either method stores your design for quick reuse, so you don't have to rebuild it each time. When you're ready to use the template, select File and then New, and choose your Save template under My Templates. Load it, add recipients, update any time-sensitive details like post titles or dates, and enter a subject line. You can even generate a subject with AI to match the content and boost opens. Give everything a final look, confirm links and images still work as expected, and send. That's it. Thanks for watching.